Okay. Okay. Let me set up this. Oh, we just got a pamp. All right, we need to go above view up here. Let me remove this and then turn view up on. There we go. And then let me turn on EMAs, or maybe just moving average. No, I'll just leave it like that. Okay, see this. What's up, Wayne? Wayne made it. Let's go. Let's go, Wayne. How you doing, brother? Are you still holding calls? It's just been chopping around today. Look at this. Excuse me. This is like a huge mess. Like, we've been going like from 412 to just like 413, just like all day long. It's just not fun right now. We'll see if we get a break here for Power Hour. We're sitting right at VWAP. So if we get above this, we might start to run, kind of like we did early morning. So if we get a break, just like we did here, we could really take off. But it's got to get above. You're out? Yeah. I'm out too. I'm not in a play right now. I made my money and I got out quick. Okay, I'm gonna put on TikTok here. This is what you see here on my screen. I'm gonna turn on live because I haven't gone live on TikTok in a while. I got banned, actually. That's what happened. How heavy? Oh my gosh, that was something stuck in my throat. Sorry. How heavy did you go this morning? I didn't go. I bought 10 contracts. That's usually what I buy anyway. But those ones were really cheap, so it wasn't that much capital, if that's what you're asking. I usually go 10 contracts, and those ones that I bought, or I got into 2 different plays, which I'll probably review during this stream. But both of them were pretty cheap. What do I think SPY's gonna hit? Well, if we look at this, ideally I'd like to see it head back up to high a day, but since it's just kind of chopping around, I gotta be a little bit more realistic here. So first target for power hour would just be up here at 413.62, so about a 50-cent move. So we'll see if we can get up there. I'll draw a line there. Since flow's bullish, hopefully we head up there on that yellow line. We'll watch it. 413.61. That's where I think we're gonna be headed. And then after that, high a day, which is like 415. Which I don't know if that'll hit today, but I mean, flow's still pretty bullish, as you can see. I'll leave this on right now. Okay, and then I'm gonna go on my iPad here so I can read chat on TikTok, if there is chat on TikTok. Flow doesn't matter, dude. I love when people go against flow. It makes me so happy because then they get wrecked. They think that they're smart and they can outsmart it, but you can't deny data. When data's there, that's like your greatest indicator. I feel like data is like the best indicator of all time in the market. So let me watch myself on TikTok here so I can read chat on TikTok. Okay, there we go. Okay. So my TikTok stream needs to come down just a little bit here, so they can see it more. There we go. Should be good. Then I got my camera on too. What's up, Wickeds? No, you're not late, bro. I just started streaming maybe like 10 minutes ago, and I just barely got done setting up everything. So we've got about 50 minutes left to market. I really wish I could stream for longer, guys, but with the audience that I have right now, I feel like it's just not worth it. I'm trying my best to at least go to go live at least an hour every day, and that's been going pretty well the last 3 hours. Yeah, guys, today is massive chop fest in the market. Like I said to Wayne earlier, we've been going like from 412 to 413 all day. So if you've been getting into option contracts, you're getting like absolutely killed. So just be careful out there. All right, so we're breaking above VWAP here. This is what I thought was going to happen. Since flow is really bullish here, see how green we are. Yeah, we're breaking above VWAP here, so we'll see if we can head a little bit higher, pick up some volume and head to 413.61, which is about 30 cents away, 35 cents. Limited BP, yeah, I feel that. What's up, TikTok? How are you guys doing? You guys can't see me, but you can see my screen. I'm live on YouTube too, which is a lot clearer. You can see my screen a lot better on YouTube, but TikTok's just fine for what we got. Watching SPY, checking out options flow. Calls coming up slightly here, so I feel like we'll get a nice little push for power hour. What's up, Rebecca, Joe, all you guys on TikTok? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stream on Twitch. Is it easier to get viewers? The thing is with Twitch, I have a Twitch account, but it's like I used to stream Clash Royale on it, or I still do stream Clash Royale occasionally. So it's kind of hard to like focus on stocks and stuff like that, market stuff, and also be in the niche of stocks and gaming too. But that's why I'm streaming on YouTube and TikTok. I feel like TikTok is better than Twitch. Body, Mike Golden, you guys are the best. Hey, if you guys want to do me a huge solid, go follow me on TikTok. I'm going to be posting some better content videos. I've been posting some pretty good ones lately, but normally I just kind of post memes about the market and stocks, so I have fun doing it. I don't want it to be too serious. The serious times are when I'm sitting down doing lives like this and actually trying to make money using real money. Your TikTok edits are clean. Oh yeah, the last ones I've been doing, I've been spending a lot of time on those. Yeah, I've been the last 2 videos I made, or I don't know if it was the last 2, but the last 2 that I've used with my really nice camera and like done captions and everything, it took me about an hour to make. It takes a lot of work, guys, like editing it and making the scenes and making sure everything's good, cutting all of it. It takes quite a while. But yeah, I want to do more videos like that on TikTok. That's the goal. Thank you, Wickeds. Thanks for the follow, my guy. I think didn't you already follow me before? Or no? We got Stock Crypto Finance in here. We got this freaking ad on TradingView. I don't like TradingView that much. We got June, July, dude. Elizabeth, where have you been, Elizabeth? I remember you. Thank you for joining, guys. All right, we're just going over, if you guys are new and just joining TikTok, we're just going over options flow. We're just watching live, see what's going on. We're very bullish in the options side and calls. Very negative on puts. Lots of put selling today, pretty much all day long. So ideally, I thought that we were going to be green, but we're just kind of flat today. It's just kind of messy. Not very fun to trade. Nonetheless, we're still alive, still hanging out. Yeah, so we're just falling below VWAP here. I thought we were going to get a nice pump to this yellow line, but I don't know, guys. Today's kind of odd. So we'll go over my trades today during this live stream, and then also what to expect tomorrow in the market. I have lots of tools here that help me predict what's going to happen in the market, and I feel like this is the best indicator of all time. Alright, so let me see. Where is that part? There's this one tool. Where is it, bro? I gotta find it. It's right here, right? Stock season. Maybe I have to refresh. Where is it, bro? There's a tool called Dexwood, tracks all the deltas and the options, and it's pretty accurate, but I don't know where it is. Where? Hey, Wickeds, do you know where it is, bro? It's gotta be here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Bruh. Is it on? I think it's on option. Dude, there's so many tools here, I get mixed up. Okay, here it is. My goodness. That took me forever. 15 days, draw. Here are the moving averages. Okay, look. So we had 2 really big red bars on Friday and Monday, which predicts usually the next day move. But today we're just kind of flat, and we were just barely green for tomorrow's move. So I don't know. We might be pretty flat again tomorrow and kind of choppy. We'll see what happens. Wicked says, I like the watch list video. Hey, thank you, man. Yeah. So for my watch list videos, I usually pick 2 or 3 stocks that I'm really watching during the week, but this week I kind of shook it up. I kind of just picked AMD puts. That's just the one that I picked, and then just the market as a whole. We killed that video. That video was really good. Oh, brother. What a day. Yeah, so if I were to swing anything, it'd be calls, but with this Dex tool being really, really low, I don't think I'd do it just because of how low it is. But on days like these where the bars are really big, you can see this yellow line is the price of SPY. You can see right after this big one, we had a nice move up in SPY. And then same thing with this red bar, we had a really nice move down. It's a good freaking prediction, guys. Like, it's insane. Yeah, Wicked, thanks for helping me out there, bro. Oh, John's in here. What's up, John? I'm sorry, I wasn't looking at TikTok chat. If you're still here, did you see my Twitter space? Are you in a Twitter space right now? Did you start a Twitter space that's popping or what? Spies above VWAP, guys. We need to push up. We need to push really hard. Like, this is getting insane. Ideally, I thought that we were going to see a nice pump just with the options flow, but we've just been really dead today. You can see me slightly on the left side of the screen on TikTok on my camera. Right here. I'll tilt it just slightly so you can see me a little bit better. Alright. Okay, look. We're getting a nice break above you up here. If we get a break above this yellow line, I feel like we'll go high today. What is this move? This is like a 50-cent move here. That's pretty decent. There we go, guys. This is what we predicted. There we go. Nice, nice move there. We'll see if we can hold it. We do have resistance here at 14.1360. But flow is very bullish still. Puts are coming up slightly and calls are coming down, but we still have a really nice like $20 million divergence. We'll just watch it. Watch it, and then in a little bit I'll go over my trades that I got into. I'm actually gonna look at them right here. Oh, let me see what I got into here. So I got in a really, really good trade this morning. Not right at open, but a little bit after open. They ran for like 40%. Where are those? Yeah, so I bought some SPY 420 calls at $42 each, and then I averaged down at 35. Wait, I think, hold on. Okay, no, I bought some at $42 per contract and then some at 27, and those ran for 40%. I sold those for about, yeah, $47 per contract. We hit a really, really nice average down. Freaking nice average down. Alright. Still pushing here. We're getting pretty close to this yellow line. Oops. Get rid of this. Hey, YouTube, if any of you guys want me to go over anything while we're just kind of watching, just let me know. Same thing with TikTok. But as of right now, we're just kind of watching it. I'm not going to get into any trades right now, just because of how choppy the market is. Now, if we have a strong move above this yellow line, then I feel like maybe we could probably get in. But right now, we're just kind of chilling. But yeah, we still have this $20 million divergence. It says we're about $20 million in calls positive and 10 million negative, but this huge jump from earlier was from like one person buying, so I just kind of erase that. I just kind of ignore those. These straight up lines and premiums, I just ignore them. So ideally, we're still in like the same spot around 10 million. Thank you for whoever's liking on TikTok here. Alright, let's see here. Okay, we got a little bit of a rejection here, but we are holding above VWAP. Oh, right as I said that, it's breaking below. We had a really nice move this morning. This is the move that I caught this morning. I kind of got in a little bit early. I think I got in... Yeah, I think I got in this candle maybe. Yeah, kind of like 10 minutes before 7 a.m. And I dropped a little bit and then I averaged down like 10 minutes later. And then that's when it mooned. It shot up like $2. Yeah, it shot up $2 on that move. It's a nasty move. We'll be continuing to check this DEX candle too to see if anything changes. But as of right now, I'm not going to swing anything or get into anything just because of the data that I'm seeing. Yeah, man. This is so small. 0.2. You can see what happens here if you backtest on these small DEX bars. You can see that the moves aren't that great. So this little red one here, it was a little red, but on this green one, it went down, so we would have lost money. And then same thing with this one. Oh, I guess that one would have been good. But this red one would have been bad. This green one would have been bad. Just gotta pick and choose the ones, I guess. What a boring day. Today's been kind of rough. Really boring day. We did come out green today. Let's see what I'm up. I'm up $275 today, which is not bad for how flat we've been. And we're a little red, but it's just kind of flat. Really boring. Yeah, that's usually when I make my best trades, Wickeds, is in the morning. Made all your trades in the first few hours. Good thing since there wasn't any other plays. Yeah, you made your money right here, guys. On this move here on SPY, either down here at the very beginning, like if you got in puts and then calls right away, but anything else is just messy. Call out more tomorrow? I did. Well, the first one, so the one that ran for 40% was not mine actually. I agreed with the guy that called out. I just didn't want to steal his thunder. So on the Discord, Ace got into some calls and I just agreed with him, so I got into him anyway. But yeah, he got into the ones that I would have got into anyway. But he called it out, and then for the second time, we got in one that ran for 15%, like real quick, and I got out of those alive before it dumped. I think it was right. Where was that? It was at VWAP, right? Was it? Oh, it was right here. It was this move. It was literally this candle where we made our money. It came down to VWAP and bounced hard, and we got out fast. I have crazy self-control, bro. I don't want to lose it. That's the thing. If I'm up as much as I am today, and had two really good trades, then I'm done, man. And I usually, like, most of my profitable trades come in the morning. And it's just right away. I take it and run, bro. You gotta do that. You gotta do that in this market. You're stuck because you only trimmed? Bruh. The positive news for you, Takumo, is we printed a green dex bar here, which ideally means we're going to be green the next day. But again, it's only a 60% win rate, so you have to be careful. And then with flow here, with flow we're pretty bullish. But if you look at like the last 3 days, we're kind of bearish still. But just gotta be careful. Make sure you pick and choose your battles. Get out quick. Take profits when you see them. And don't let the trade go red. Ideally, I think that we'd go up here because we're still very bullish for today's flow. So, we're just messing around, guys. Like, this is not a trader's market right now, at least today. I feel like most crucial moves are early, obviously. Well, what's to stop you from making 3 for 3 good trades? Really, nothing's stopping me. It's just, I guess, discipline. And then yesterday I took that swing, which didn't lose me too much money, but it was red, and it's still red. I think we might have been green down here, but that swing that we took yesterday, during the live yesterday, was not a good swing. And that's just an example of how Dex is only 60% or a 60% win rate here. This was a really, really red bar, but we're just flat. We're red, but I mean not that red, so I guess it was right in a way. Let's say you made 2 green trades early in the day. If market was setting up later in the day, you wouldn't play it. I would if I saw something pretty good. Like if there was a really, really, like Friday was a good day to swing puts and to make a play. Because on Friday, if we go back here, oh gosh, I hate TradingView, bro. Come on. Okay, on Friday, this is Friday right here. Okay, so Friday we were extremely bearish in flow, and we had a really, really nice trend down. See this? We had a nice trend down. We followed it even in after hours. So this was power hour. This move up. Here, let me zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit better. So if we go back to Friday's flow, I can show you exactly what and how this was a good setup. Okay, so this was Friday. See how extremely bearish we were. $40 million in puts. There was no straight up trend. This was just a really nice move in flow in puts. And in power hour, we came down really low. We made money Friday, right? You remember? But in power hour, we came up a little bit on Friday. And then, because of this, we printed a fat, really, really red Dex chart, Dex candle. So that, in my eyes, would have been a really, really good play in power hour for swinging puts. And if you remember, if I would have swung those puts, we would have been up 650% on those puts. And I just don't listen to myself, but I learn from my mistakes, and next time something like that happens, we'll catch it. It's all emotions, guys. Like, as long as you just don't think and just listen to the data, I feel like you'll be really profitable. And that's exactly what we should have done on Friday, which we didn't do. We sold out. We made money still, but yeah, we sold out. See, like today, so okay, so for an example for today it looks just by looking at the flow like it would be a good day to swing calls, right? But if we look at other tools, this is really important. You gotta combine your indicators, right? Even on charts, and it's the same thing with data. So if we combine flow with deltas in options, you can see there's literally this DEX candle is non-existent. If it was something like this and flow was really bullish and it was like a big green candle like this, then I'd be like, okay, this is a really good time to swing calls. But since there's nothing, it's like not even there's nothing on this chart. So yeah, I feel like tomorrow's just gonna be another flat day. Either that or just continue down, another leg down. We'll have to see what happens when flow opens up tomorrow. Okay, let's check out what's going on in SPY right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, yep, we broke below VWAP. This is why I didn't get into calls, because options are telling me buy calls, but how choppy we are, and we're not breaking above levels for one, and momentum's just not there. It's really, really low. Just gotta pay attention to those things. We'll see if it bounces off this mini trend line. Yeah, that swing was a little ambitious, but it could have went a couple ways. Not that much of a risk considering a potential upside. Yeah, there was literally no risk with that. That was like, that would have printed 600%, bro. Like, no lie. I was looking at it. Even if you got in, like, way early. Or even a little late, you probably would have made like 500% on a over the weekend swing. Yeah, I would if this was any other day, I'd be playing calls right now. But since it's not breaking above anything, I'm just not gonna risk it. What up, Roger? I wish there was a way to like eliminate this big long like call line, because we don't really want to see that in flow. SPY is being so annoying, gonna sleep. Yeah. Tell me about it, bro. I thought I was gonna get up to 413.61. That was my first target, and it kind of got there. It was like 10 cents away, but it fell right away. It fell so quick. But yeah, man, if you go to the Discord, Ace hit 3 of 3 plays today, I think. And he's a morning trader too, I feel like. He doesn't really trade late in the day. But he hit OXY, which is petroleum. And then he hit SPY. And then I think he hit another one. I think it was Zoom. He might have lost on that one, I can't remember. But you guys can always go back and back test his stuff. SPY, or not SPY, Ace, I trust him a lot. Need more lemonade. let's check here. Calls are coming back up a little bit here. Oh, oops, that's Friday. Don't look at that chart. There we go. Puts and calls are coming up at the same time. Let's see if a DEX thing is printed. There's no DEX candle, bro. It's literally non-existent. I can't even see it. Dude, SPY is being so annoying right now. I'm sorry if any of you guys are in anything. There's no movement today. Like, look at this move. This move down was nasty. 2 days. Luis Lopez in the hizzy. What's up, my guy? Always on TikTok, bro. I'm on YouTube too, Luis. If you want to come hang out on YouTube, it's a lot better. You can see my screen and you can see the camera and everything. Way better, in my opinion. And if you guys are wondering why I wear my headset like this, it's because so I don't mess up my my hair. So I have to go to work. I have to go to work later, so no headset hair for me, boy. Get out of here, Luis. Luis asked, should I throw everything I have into Nokia? Joke's on you. If you throw anything at a Nokia, it's gonna be indestructible. No pun intended. Alright, let's see if we bounce off this trend line here. If we go lower, should bounce. Should bounce. Flow is extremely bullish still. Okay, so this probably would be an entry. Yeah, see that? Look how it bounced right off that trend line. We'll see if we get a continuation, but this might be a good entry for calls. Not gonna get into anything though. Oh, came back down. I spoke too soon. 3 to the G. Welcome to the TikTok stream, boy. Alright. Just waiting for that DEX bar to print, but there's nothing. Absolutely nothing. There's more people on YouTube than there are on TikTok right now, just saying. So that makes me feel happy. Usually TikTok, I get up to like 80 or 90 people, but the last time that happened, I got banned. I couldn't stream for a whole week, and that was last week. So, yeah, YouTube's popping, bro. You guys are quiet. You guys are like unbelievably quiet. All right. What the heck just happened here? Alright, bounce off the trend line. Let's see if we get a continuation. 20 minutes left in the market. We've got 6 people on YouTube, but you guys are so quiet. You guys just probably losing money, huh? Big bounce. Big bounce, boys. That's a 50-cent move right there. Just watching market, really hoping for not another sideways day, bro. I think we're gonna have another sideways day tomorrow. But I did see, oh, big bounce. Oh, mama. Okay. I did see Wicked, so I did see something on here. If you scroll down here to volatility distribution, you can kind of see this is, oh, where'd it go? What's the date today? The 23rd? You can see how volatile, this predicts how volatile the market's going to be tomorrow. So this is kind of like the DEX chart, but it focuses more on the volatility. So as of right now, it looks like we might get like almost a 1% move in SPY tomorrow. But I don't know, just take that with a grain of salt, because it said yesterday that we were going to get a 1% move too. And we're just kind of chilling at flat right now. I guess if you count the move from this morning, then maybe, but I don't know. Yeah, Philip. Yeah, I feel you, bro. Didn't follow market net flow. Yeah, it's kind of just doing nothing today. Look at this move, guys. We even caught this on live. I said I would get into a call right here off this trend line if it wasn't a day like today, and we just got a freaking almost a... We got a 75-cent move off this trend line. Pretty nasty. How's your guys' day been going though? Other than the choppy market, what are you guys doing? Oh, this is okay, never mind. 821 22 23. Oh. Never mind. It tells you when it was. Yeah, that's right. Future price movement 0.9. Did we not get above VWAP? We broke down below. Oh, and we got rejected fat off of VWAP there. It's getting wild. Man, oh man, guys. I'm tired and I have to freaking work all night. So busy today. Oh man, this is just brutal. Look, we got a nice bounce off the trend line, broke above it, faked out everyone. So disgusting. Yeah, I feel like we got to get out of this channel here before anything happens. Here's the channel, guys. I'll draw lines. It's pretty much this channel right here, yellow to yellow, or lime green. I don't know. I'm colorblind. It's yellow, right? We got to get out of this channel. I traded UCO and SCO today. I think oil is going up the next month. All right, let's check. Let's take a look. We can look at sector rotations if you want. Don't have to, but okay, here we go. All right, the one that's heading up is energy. So you be right, my man. Energy is going up like crazy today. This is energy, right? I am colorblind, so I gotta make sure that that's energy. Yep. Money is flowing into energy. You can also trade XLE too if you wanted. That's what I usually trade, XLE. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I didn't even realize they had this here. Look at the sector performance. Materials and energy are getting a huge influx. Where's materials? Industrials? A little bit. Materials, there it is. Oh, yep. It's got a nice little uptick. It's kind of hard to read this chart sometimes. I just uncheck and check to see it. One, because I'm colorblind, and then two, they're pretty close together. Nice day for energy. Holy moly. Oh, break down below the break down below the trend line, guys. Oh my gosh, freaking Trading View, bro. Hate Trading View. Puts are coming up ever so slightly. We went from 13 million, 13.5 to about 10 in the span of an hour. Right? Yep, span of an hour. So we've come up about 3 million in puts. Watch, guys, we'll probably like bounce right off this yellow line and just keep trading in this channel. So messy. Really boring day, man. There's like nothing to talk about. How boring today was. We did come up green, which is good for me. That's all I care about. Man, we got literally no movement in SPY for power hour. Man, this was power hour. We moved nothing. Let's throw up some support and resistances on SPY. Let me go on over to SPY and see what we can do here. One minute time frame. Yeah, so it looks like 412.3. Yeah, that's kind of like where I have it, 412.3. Okay. Okay, so this is a nice move here. We gotta break below 412.3, but it just barely. So let's see if we can close a candle below that. crazy. The puts are coming up just barely, and SPY's just going nutty. Down to the ground. We're still at support here. We gotta close a candle and keep moving them below. Or either come back up, retest, then come back down. This is a big, big volume candle right here. You can see it continued right there. See, I would have gotten... So, look, this is a good learning lesson. So if I would have gotten calls here on this trend line, I would have been green for a little bit here, but I would have gotten wrecked like right away. So that's why it's important to have stop losses in place, even when options flow is pretty bullish. We'll just have to see what happens, see if it finds a bottom. Let's check the DEX. Still nothing on DEX, my goodness. It just means we're gonna do nothing tomorrow too. Tomorrow might be a good day off. Okay, so just baby red. Baby red right now. Look at that. Strong move back up. We broke below this support level, but it was just barely. That's why you gotta wait for candles to close, guys. People probably got puts down here and just got wrecked. Dude, the volatility in power hour, or the last 10 minutes of the market, is pretty crazy. It gets nasty. Hey, yo, David, thank you for the like, my man, on the TikTok live. Thanks for tuning in. I haven't been saying much, but I'd like to do these more often, maybe even every day, since I go live on YouTube every day. Can probably do it on TikTok too at the same time, just to create more conversation. Hopefully get more people in here asking more questions, so it's not just me blabbering about random shit, you know? You feel me? I should have like a TikTok chat. I need to have a TikTok chat on my monitor. I wonder if you can get on lives on PC. Kind of just twiddling my thumbs waiting for the last 5 minutes. Back above that support, guys. Crazy. We're just trading in this channel. It's nasty. What do I have to do to get ready for the rest of today? I'm trying to like think. Alright, I probably am going to stop streaming on TikTok here just because I gotta do some texts. see you guys tomorrow on the stream on TikTok. I gotta end this live because I gotta do some work here. Thank you for tuning in, fellas. Okay. Tomorrow's a new day. Yeah, tomorrow is a new day, man. Oh, let's see. What do I have going on tomorrow? Tomorrow, let me check schedule. Tomorrow I might be doing some video shoots. So, let me check and see. Yeah, I might be gone tomorrow because I have to be somewhere at 10 a.m. 10 to 12 my time, so that's literally... Oh, we got a nice break of support there. Yeah, I might not be able to stream tomorrow, guys, which makes me kind of sad. But looking at decks here, I feel like it's gonna be another boring day. Oculus with an ER play. Intuit? What? Intuit puts. Wait. Yeah, Intuit puts. Why does he play? Why does he play ER plays, bro?
Have you been feeling sad most of the time, losing interest in things you once cared about? You may be experiencing these and other symptoms that are difficult.
What is the ticker for Intuit? I don't even know. INTU. Well, it's up a 1.5% after hours right now. Oh, it's up 2%. Here, you guys want to check this out? Oh, it's up 3.5%. Look at this. It's up 4%. Dude, it's freaking mooning. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, it came back down a little bit. Holy mother of... There it goes. We got back up. This is nasty. I love to see him lose. Oh. You gotta let me know what everyone says. Is everyone freaking out? Wait, was this on Twitter or Discord? On Twitter? Alright, I gotta freaking see this, bro. He banned me on Twitter. I think, yeah, he banned me. Check this out. I'm blocked. And tell me how he has 32,000 followers on Twitter and he only gets like 3 likes. He literally bought his followers, bro. He goes earnings lotto every single time. And then he says the F word with a quote retweet to what just happened. It's freaking straight going up, bro. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's pamping. It's up 4%. My word. What did the flow look like on that? I'm curious. Oh. Okay, so it was bearish, but barely. It's only 294K. That's why you don't play freaking earnings, bro. That's interesting, though. 302. That's the highest one for the 450 weekly calls. So that's a bunch of freaking gamblers. Those guys printed. Okay, these guys are going to make so much money. 450 weekly calls? My word. Yeah, that flow is just nothing. There's nothing there for that. Crazy move, though. That's what earnings do. It's still going. Cons are so expensive. Let's check. You want to check? Let's check together. Oh, I don't need to unlock this. Let's see. So let's see. Oh yeah, they were over $1,000 per contract. But these are gonna be up so much. Okay, so these 4. Wait, where were the ones on the flow? Oh yeah, 450s. Dude, those are gonna be up so much. Those are $20 in the money. So let's look at the $20 in the money ones. Dude, those are gonna be up 100% tomorrow, most likely. The implied volatility isn't even that bad either. Yeah, those, if this price holds, it will be up. Those contracts will be up 100%. Oh gosh, Oculus just got cucked, bro. Hilarious. Oh, SPY's still going down. Let's see those. Let's look at those puts that we swung yesterday. See what those are at. Yeah, those puts are literally still losing. Those are still red. Ugh.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. We live it.
What a freaking boring day. We did get quite a nice move here in the after hours too. We're just slightly red. So I guess Dex would have been right. If we would have listened to Dex yesterday and we would have gotten a little bit further out contracts, we wouldn't have been red on our puts, we would have been green. I don't really care though, I made up for those. Man, oh man, I gotta go get ready for work, guys. Or to do work. I guess it's not getting ready for work, it's to do work. I want to make a video though. I haven't. Hey, Wickeds, if you're still here, bro, I want to do a video request by you on TikTok. So if you want me to cover something, I'll really dive deep into it and kind of make a quick, like, 30-second TikTok or something like that. I feel like when I think of videos to do for TikTok, it's really hard for me because, I don't know, I'm just not that great of a creator. And I do want to get better at it. At explaining for one, and then also doing it quick and simple is something that I would want to work on. It's just hard for me because I feel like I keep all this to myself most of the time. I keep all this information in my brain and I don't really have anyone to talk to about it. I have like my wife, but like she doesn't, it just goes over her head. I don't really talk to her about this kind of stuff, what I do during the day. But yeah, man, if you have any video requests that you want me to cover, please like let me know. It really, really helps me out. What are you saying here? Like on a ticker or dude, anything, literally anything you want me to like to go over, and like something that confuses you or something that you don't understand, or like anything, bro. Like maybe even the basics. Maybe I need to go to like the basic stuff, because I don't really think about that because I've been trading for so long. I forget that there's so many new people that are trading and they don't even know what like a call or a put is, you know? Dude, content is so hard, bro. Like, it's hard for me to explain it. It's hard for me to get in front of a camera and explain it. And it's also hard for me to find the time to do it and like dedicate the time to do it, because I do have a 3-year-old who takes up a lot of my time. And then I also do a lot of work on the side too. I do videography work, real estate videos, drone videos for houses. I do a bunch of stuff. Easy enough. I have a lot of ideas and thoughts as well. Yeah, dude, please do. Thank you. It does help me. I might have to start from the basics, bro. Yeah, I know we all started. I remember looking up YouTube videos, man, from like the very beginning, and just trying to figure out like everything that has to do with calls and puts. Like, I studied so hard before I even started trading options. But even before that, I kind of dabbled into I got into shares. I had to figure out from the very beginning what everything was. Explain it to the 3-year-old, bro. You think the 3-year-old listens to me? 3-year-old does not listen to me. I also need to figure out a way to get my camera from my desk up higher, or like at eye level, because I'm like looking down at the camera because it's on my desk. I guess I could drop my chair here, but I don't know. I feel like it needs to be at eye level. So you guys are getting a nice like view from my double chin, like up. Intuit is still up 4%, by the way. One thing I did want to say is check out Fatty Trades on YouTube. Yeah, someone mentioned him. I do see him around. I've been watching the content and it's great for flow ideas and knowledge. Yeah, that guy's really good. Real-time stuff, how to use it. I need to watch more of his videos to get better ideas. The thing is with him, his is more like, so the couple of videos that I've seen, I'm trying to word this. It's very, I'm not trying to be mean, but the way he words stuff and like he presents it is not very like engaging unless you're like a part of the Traditick community and like you know about it, about Flow, and you're like really knowledgeable about data and all that stuff. So that audience is really small. Whereas in me, I'm trying to grow like a bigger audience, a more broader audience to get people more interested in this kind of stuff. You know what I mean? I feel like his is more like very formal, and you pretty much need to have a really strong understanding of trading and stuff like that, and data analytics. Did the Dex thing? Let's see if the Dex printed harder. Nope. I wish there was a button that I could just press for 15 day. So I get tired of changing this all the time. Really the smallest red bar of all time. Alright, I will probably be getting off live soon, since we closed